Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn and Suites near Outlet Mall, Asheville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Rodeway Inn and Suites at Biltmore Square provides easy access to the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway that winds along the rolling hills and through the rugged mountains of North Carolina. Local points of interest like the Asheville Civic Center, Wolfe Auditorium and Biltmore Square Mall are close to this hotel. The Biltmore Estate, a National Historic Landmark, is only 6 miles away. This sprawling mansion is the largest privately owned home in the United States and features more than 250 rooms. The adjacent historic Biltmore Village has a number of galleries, retailers, antique stores, specialty shops, spas and restaurants for you to enjoy. Hotel features and amenities include free coffee, free wireless high-speed internet access, free local calls, free parking. Business travelers can appreciate modern conveniences afforded at this hotel like the public computer with internet access, and copy and fax service. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.